that image. Confirm the shape.
It's definitely a helicopter, sir. The data stream confirms it.
Keep the tension steady on that line.
Look at the state of it. It's incredible.
She's clear. We got it. Look at that. Well done, team.
Steady now. Bring her down easy. Hold it right there. And set.
Look at that shine against the rust. We're making good time.
Hey, another week and she'll be ready for paint. Give it another turn.
Maximum tension reached.
All right, hold it there.
Scan complete on the rotor assembly. Stress fractures are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The engine block scan shows minor anomalies on the starboard side.
The red zones indicate severe corrosion on the main spar.
Yes, but the 3D overlay suggests we can patch it without replacing the section.
All right, the bolt is loose. Crane, take the weight slowly now. Watch for the wind.
salt damage goes deep into the turbine.
The borescope confirms heavy pitting on the blades.
We're looking at months of work just on this section.
We need exactly 2.5 millimeters more on this section.
Copy that. Increasing pressure slowly. It looks aligned now.
Yes, perfect. Hold it there.
Reaching peak load now.
Stable. Structural integrity confirmed.
Pressure is holding steady.
Fuel flow increasing. We have ignition. Confirming revival sequence complete.
Hold position. Easy now, lower slowly.
Confirmed. Lowering to the left.
Clear on your side?
Yes, clear. Bring it down slowly.
Double check the alignment against the schematic.
It matches the Kilo 2 diagram. Securing it now.
Look at that. She lives.
The restoration is complete.
Fantastic work, team.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment.
Copy that. Dropping it now.
Easy, easy. Secure the clamps.
Check the alignment on the forward edge.
It's flush. Securing the final bolt now.
Easy now. Bring it left. Okay, hold it there. We're aligned.
Start the torque sequence on bolt 4.
Final torque applied.
Hydraulics are stable. Weight distribution check complete.
Clear on this side. Ready for deployment.
Rotor RPM stabilizing at 70%.
We have high vibrations on the tail assembly. Monitor closely.
Check the hydraulic pressure.
Reading nominal on screen 3. Verify fuel flow.
The contrast here is significant. We must feather this edge before priming.
I agree. This rust layer is thick.
Log that section as approved. Let's move to the tail rotor assembly.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Check the reading right above the main gear.
Noted. It's within tolerance, but let's keep monitoring the heat lamps.
Surface quality confirmed. It's fully cured.
Readings are nominal across the board.
Noted. Final approval granted.